go. Hop like a tree frog. The red-eyed tree frogs need our help. The frogs are on a log going down the river. The log will not stop. The wind is making the cha-cha coconut trees drop their coconuts. Hop like a tree frog so they will not drop on us. Hop, hop, hop. Do you spot the tree frogs? There they are. We must stop the log. It is going into the pyramid. Do you spot the door? Look, it is at the top. How can we get to the top? I have gloves that stick like tree frog toes. We can climb to the top like a tree frog. Hop on, baby jaguar. Let's climb to the top, top, top. Now do you spot the tree frogs? Quick, we must stop the log. We do not have a lot of time. Tree frogs, hop off your log to the top of this rock. Hop, hop, hop. Hop to this rock. We got the tree frogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out my Patreon page. And for more Go Diego Go stories, check out my Go Diego Go playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time, and stay safe, everyone.